Hey there to all my tech-loving friends. It's Karyn, a WordPress website developer with Sam Munoz Consulting. If this is your first time joining us here, welcome. We are so happy to have you. And if you're a returning tech nerd, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to preview Divi fonts using Google Fonts. So one of the great features about the Divi theme is that the font library includes all of the same fonts that you can find in the Google Fonts library. However, Divi doesn't give you a sample of each font and a preview of what it looks like. So instead, you can actually preview any font in the Divi library by searching for it in the Google Fonts library instead. So to preview your website fonts, head over to the Google Fonts library, which is located at fonts.google.com. For a more custom preview, it's a good idea to maybe copy some of the text that already exists on your website and then paste it in the sample text section here at the top. To get the font name that you might be searching for in the Divi library, head over to the theme customizer. And then once that loads, go ahead and click General Settings, Typography, and scroll down to the header font or body font section. Now here, using the Claire Effortless Website Kit, we have assigned the Oswald font for headers and the Lotto font for body text. So if, for example, you wanted to change your header font, you'll see a very long list of alphabetized Google fonts here, but unfortunately you don't see any preview for what that would look like. So if you're curious about changing your font, why don't you go ahead and select a font name that is interesting to you. Let's just choose Amaranth here, and we'll search for that in Google Fonts. And now you have a display of what your header fonts would look like if you switched it to the Amaranth font. And actually, that looks really cool, and I think I might save that to my reference of future Google fonts to use on an Effortless Website Kit. But anyway, that's actually all you have to do to preview the Divi font library in Google Fonts. So if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And you can also subscribe to our channel for more simple and actionable tech, WordPress, and Divi tutorials for your business. Until next time, from all of us here at Sam Munoz Consulting, stay upbeat, stay joyful, and love your tech.